my name is Sam, and this is a tomato plant.
Hello, my name is Noah from our agri-science class.
And today we have tomatoes here at our beautiful Trafalgar. I'm Scott.
Hello, my name is Brendan. I'm a fellow student of the TMS gardening class, and right here we got beside me is a squash flower. Now some people don't know is that this flower some Italians really use as a soup, and it's really expensive.
Well, these are jalapeno peppers, and they're very spicy. We grew them for 6 weeks, and then we planted them in the garden, and this is how they turned out.
Hi, I'm Jervaline, and this is how we grow strawberries. This is a mister, and this is where water comes from, and it goes through the top and comes down, and eventually we'll get strawberries.
Hi, I'm Elijah Miller, and this is honey. We have only a couple of these because we don't take so long. And it's about 18 months to 2 years. And we have these because, well, we went to the cafeteria and our lunch in our school.
Hi, I'm Trinity, and today we picked green beans. We picked green beans from 3 beds that are 45 feet long. We picked green beans and then we got to eat them. They're very nutritious and delicious. Hi, I'm Ariana, and today we picked mulberries from a tree, and we had to pick all the black ones, and then we got to eat them. So they're so good.
My name is Luis. I'm standing right here next to the strawberry plant. You can eat them when they're red, but you cannot eat them when they're green.
Hello, my name is Sam, and this is a tomato plant. It's been growing for about 6 weeks. We transplanted them out here. We got these clips on them so that they grow up, because we don't want the bugs, eating the leaves and the tomatoes.
Hello, my name is Noah from our agri-science class here at TMS, and we planted these plants about a couple weeks ago, and I planted a watermelon, and in the end, when they're almost done growing, you can either take it home and keep growing it, or you can donate it to the garden so the garden can grow and we can produce more plants in the garden.
Hi, my name is Jake, and today we have tomatoes here at our beautiful Trafalgar garden. These tomatoes are used in our salad bars and salads at lunch, and many kids love them, and they're good for us.
Hi, I'm Scott. This is spinach that we grow at the Trafalgar Middle School garden. We end up donating this to the soup kitchen.
Hello, my name's Aaliyah. These are green peppers we have harvested earlier today. We are going to be sending these to the local soup kitchen.
Hi, my name's Logan, and right here is peppers. These peppers can get up to be really hot depending on your mouth or taste buds. These peppers, you can put them on a lot of stuff, whatever you want, salads, pizza, if you like it, and it's all depending on what you like.
This is Elizabeth from the TMS garden. These are Barbados cherries. Usually when they're ripe, they are red. They're about to be red. They're usually like an ombre from green to red.
Hi guys, my name is Taraya, and I'm here in the Trafalgar garden. Right here we have star fruit. Star fruit are really good. Star fruit turn yellow when they're ripe. You can peel them in the back and eat them like an apple.
Hi, my name is Cole. This is TMS Middle School, and this is our garden. We have Malabar spinach, and then we just pick these, and then we give them to our soup kitchen and our school, and they put it in salad and stuff.